So, Belle, what is one piece of technology that you use the most?
My iPod because it's got music and games and internet and Facebook and such.
Oh, that's
And that's awesome.
okay. So, Ashley, what is one piece of technology that you use the most?
Our computer, because it has Facebooking and emailing and games and whatnot.
So, Alexis, what is your most used piece of technology?
What I would have to say is that my most used piece of technology is my laptop because I use it a lot every day and go on Facebook and YouTube and all that other stuff. So that is definitely my most used piece of technology.